Hi, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop here, and we're going to take a look at the Wayseekers Tarot. The artwork is by NDR and it's been written by Anna. I can't say her name. I'm not gonna try, sorry. Okay, so this is the box. It's a US Games deck. As you can see, this is sealed, so you are seeing it for the first time with me. Pop that to one side. I would have seen it in the publisher's notes and thought, yeah, we need that one. So let me just quickly open it. Well, when I said quickly, I don't know. I don't think anything's always your best laid plans are, and then something's a little bit tricky. No, it's working. Gorgeous. Oh, these are lovely to feel. Not particularly thick enough. Some of these decks these days are like too thick to hold, but these are actually really beautiful. Very muted colours, so we're going for something that feels historic and straight away. We don't have, yeah, we do have illustrated minors. Okay, so we've got the Wayseekers Tarot. Now let's see what the book says. NDR has brought the full force of ancient Greco-Roman patriarchal mythology to his tarot rendering and combined it with the the dynamic and bold perspective of modern graphic novels. He's also created these powerful illustrations through a decidedly intuitive and nurturing filter. The result is a unique deck that brings one's up short over and over again as we connect with the images of the cards. The simple, pale backgrounds of the Wayseekers Tarot indicate the blank field through which the artist called his illustrations and let them take shape. The mix and match of symbolism, the intense emotion in the faces, and the bold colours that elevate the traditionally based renderings to a new consciousness level all contribute to the making the Wayseekers Tarot deck a deck that holds secrets that only become apparent with the repeated use. I seem to have forgotten how to read. Okay, it's he's using the Rider-Waite Smith symbolism, so we should be good to go. So it's a little book, comes in with the deck, not illustrated. So you have, having said that, there's one illustration there, as you can see, the minor arcana. So you have literally the associations and the applied interpretation. Interestingly, no reversals. I don't read reversals, so it's not an issue for me. The generator spread, so you've got some spreads here, or one spread. That's it. Okay, so that's the little booklet that comes with it, very handy. And let's have a look at these. So I like this because you've got the tarot. So this is about a tarot deck. So you've got literally the tarot symbology on the back there. Abundance in the grapes. Okay, so those are the backs. Same. Right, the Fool. So I can see straight away the graphic novel association here. Remember, I'm seeing them for the first time, so I'm literally looking at them with you. Wheel of Fortune. I mean, they're very clever. So he's taken the style of the graphic novel and used the image of the Rider-Waite as the basis to create a piece of artwork that we are able to read. Okay, then we have wands, no characters, but you easily know what this is. So, for example, when you read the Rider-Waite, you know there is a path here. And then with the Three of Wands, if you remember, the merchant stands here and looks out to sea. He's waiting for his ship to return. Harvest. So he's still victorious. You see, this is the gladiator raising his hand. There's the victory wreath. So yeah, you can make the associations. If you would prefer not to have the characters in there, then Page, Knight, Queen and King. And then you have the cups. I don't think there's anything I don't like about this deck. Okay, let me know what you think in the comments. Oh, happy ever after. I always, when they say that something's Rider-Waite, because I'm such a Rider-Waite girl, I'm always like, but is it really? Is it? Is it? But it is actually. Very lovely. That was very good, that one. They all are, look. So this is the swords. Let me pop that. I think it's falling down. And then the pentacles. So because he's not included the characters, he's included the symbols that are required. You know, you can see clearly that this is the gift of giving. So this is generosity. So your keywords for the Rider-Waite apply beautifully, and actually it will quickly trigger your recall. Okay, so those are the Way Seekers Tarot. And it's a deck published by, let me get the box again, by US Games. Classic Tarot. There you go. Oh, so it's including the simplicity of the Marseilles and... So like an amalgamation of both sets. Both types of school, sorry. Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much for your time. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Bye-bye.